Ariel Perez here, coming to you from Dallas, Texas, representing Cooper&Hunter. Here at this apartment complex, we have had 264 families that are trusting Cooper&Hunter to keep them comfortable in all extreme weathers. We have had a project here with a wonderful contractor, Mechanical Comfort Systems, and we have come across challenges, having to run new piping from the first floor to the third floor. And let me tell you something, this contractor did top-notch work and did it right the first time. Yes, we had to take our time, but you cannot rush something that is good like that.
My name is Cristian Cano. I work for Mechanical Comfort Systems, and for this particular apartment complex, we did 264 units with Cooper&Hunter. We were very happy with their customer service. Everything was on point.
So, as you can see, this is an existing multifamily project. We were tasked to come in with the contractor and have to be able to retrofit and use the available space, which was very minimal because of the old age of the fan coils that were there before. The Cooper&Hunter Slim Duct fit that application perfectly. We were able to slide right into the spot where the old fan coils were, use the same existing area, and then tie everything in. And you have to remember, more than anything, the efficiency that the Slim Duct from Cooper&Hunter brings you, it can increase your savings up to 45% on your electric bill.